You ready?
The lift on Texas Giant. Just thinking about it, I love the ride and I just don't like going on it because of the lift. It takes forever. No. And there I am. I'm young Sheldon. I'm moving now. You're in the front next. Bye!
It might be smart to leave before 5 though. Just got off La Víbora.
I'm gonna have bruises all over my arm.
That's such a weird ride.
La Víbora.
It's so weird. Why are we both looking at it?
Because we were surprised and all of a sudden we...
Duck! So this is like the unofficial day one. Because we got here a little early and the park's open for 2 more hours. And it's gonna rain tomorrow, so we just got off La Víbora. Because if it rains, that thing's not gonna be open all weekend. So. But yeah, now we're going to Texas Giant. We just got off Texas Giant. It just like flew through the mid-course, like the brakes aren't on. That's the first time that's ever happened for me.
Okay, no brakes.
That like improved the second half so much. Like
that drop feels so good.
Yeah, like I don't know when I'm uploading this video, but this like 2 days ago I uploaded my top 25. Just from that ride, I think I might move it above Outlaw Run, but I don't know. Cause
we gotta wait and see.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Day 2.
I don't know if you, yeah, you could see it. It was a little worse earlier, but now it's like, it stopped, now it's back. We're gonna have to run through the rain to Johnny Rockets because we didn't bring an umbrella. We don't own an umbrella. There's no such thing as an umbrella.
We don't even know how to hold an umbrella. Well, Anthony.
Go! Come on. This is why we're here, right? Off-ride footage. So we just got off Runaway Mountain. It's so cool. I love that ride.
This thing with my glasses, it really works.
Yeah, it's like running really fast. Right, I don't know if it's always running that fast. Maybe I just didn't remember, but it's running like so fast right now. Like it's cool. We're gonna get back in line.
Back in line.
What kind of dinosaur?
Carnotaurus. He's got horns. He has to be a Carnotaurus.
Yes, I'm the one named him Cornelius.
Is that name copyrighted?
It's in my heart. It's copyrighted. Cornelius is a Carnotaurus.
It's a funny looking.
I want to see what
He's a funny looking Carnotaurus. Woo!
Chicharrones?
Yeah, I'll send that to Jade.
Oh no!
Yeah. Oh, okay. That's cool. Cool. I want to see you go. Go. That's cool.
Day 3.
I'm not ready for this. It's been 2 years. I'm not ready. You ready?
It's gonna be my first credit, new credit of the...
Second. Superman. You had a ton of new credits. Your second new credit.
When did I... No, of the day.
Oh, of the day?
Yeah, of the weekend. This is the first new
Oh,
credit.
never mind. Oops, never mind.
Is it open?
It should be. Let's just walk through whatever. We got both. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. The better rides are over there. I don't want to do this.
We're not meant to ride it.
Yeah, they're still closed. We can spare. Yeah, let's go to the good rides now. So we just got off Mr. Freeze backwards. It's such a good ride. Like backwards, that is definitely the best ride in the park. Like I forgot how smooth it was. It's just so intense, and I can't see the camera there. And yeah,
We sat in the front, and then we sat in the back. In the back, it's crazy.
yeah, it's just an amazing ride. I love that thing. Ooh, I got both of them. You ready?
Scared?
I'm not. Let's see.
First credit of the weekend. I am so dizzy. I was expecting to be so rough, but it's not that bad. Okay, it's not smooth, but it's not bad.
It's a lot better than my last ride, but still my least favorite in the park. I still don't like those rides. We spun once, so it's false.
likely I'll
It's
never
false
ride it again.
advertising, but it's whatever. Yeah.
Panel, right? So this is operator will be standing here on their nice, lovely red dot. It lets them know everything they needed to know about the ride, right? Where the ride is at that very moment, what the water is doing, because we do have to make sure that our water is doing what it needs to be doing, right? So when it needs to splash, it shows us when it's about to splash. When the water is clear and the boat needs to run through at a very high speed, it lets us know what it's doing at that very moment. We're gonna go into the splash pad, right? Where the boat comes through at a very high rate of speed. Right, so we need to make sure that we're being very careful while we walk over there. While we go out there, we're gonna make sure that we have one hand on the rail at all times.
Y'all hating us right now. We're holding up the ring.
Oh, we are? Cool. Yeah, just let me get this whole thing. You can do pictures and photos in one. You excited?
Well, it's my first time.
For the original?
Credit.
The original?
This is the original.
Yep.
I'm excited.
Woo!
You guys are all good. Alright, riders, I hope y'all enjoyed that 30-foot drop fall. See you guys in an hour. Bye. Have fun.
So we just got off Runaway Mine Train. It's her first time, my first time in like 2 years. And yeah, it's fun. It's fun.
It's such a cute ride. I loved it.
Yeah, it's not as eventful as I remember, but like it's still fun. Like,
Well, maybe they did something to it.
no, just like I don't know why. I remember it being crazier, but
It was
it's like
pretty
it's like a lot of turn. It's like not that crazy, even the drop, but it's still cool. It's a cute ride, and yeah, I'm glad it's still around. It's closed.
We are so sad.
I'm
This is like the ride we have the most fun on.
I'm so sad.
And Giuseppe's first major.
I'm so sad.
So
Gosh.
hopefully from here we're gonna go to a different park
Got a shockwave.
and come back for a couple of hours. Hopefully by that time
Yeah,
it's open.
hopefully. So we just got off Superman. Surprised she did it. I'm really shocked.
And I kept my eyes open most of the ride.
Yeah, it's such like a beautiful view from the top. You get to see the whole park.
Yeah,
Like-
it was very nice.
It's so nice. And then obviously the ride is good. So
I do not enjoy this type of ride, because free fall and great adventure growing up messed up my mind, but I'm glad I did it.
well, yeah, it's such a fun ride. So we just got off Shockwave like 2 times, once in the front, once in the back. I love that ride, it's so good.
I conquer my fear of Shockwave 2 times. I was ready to ride it again.
It's so good.
Yeah.
I finally got some footage of it. I only had like 2 clips of the whole ride. But yeah, it's so good. Probably gonna head over to Titan now because lunch is soon and it's over there.
Hopefully we get to do the next tour. For the new attraction.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah, that should be fun. Nachos.
Nachos.
So they just added these the lockers to Titan. Just got off Titan. I would have gone again, but this auction's taking forever, and I went the tour.
Yeah, I'm kind of excited to go see the dinosaurs.
What was his name? Carlos? It was something with a C. Cornelius the Carnotaurus.
That's for like the new ride. And then from here we are going, I don't even know the name.
The ride. All right, we got our snack. Trying chopsticks for the first time.
Yeah, we wanted to try it last time and it was closed.
Yeah,
So
yeah. We're on the antique cars. It's our first time. We thought we'd do it before we choose the dinosaur one.
right.
Oh,
What are you doing? What are you doing?
oh, it actually turns.
Oh my God! Stop! 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 You're gonna go over the. Oh
I'm
my.
not gonna go over it. It's got wheels.
He's gonna kill me. Oh my! Watch out! Watch out!
It's got wheels.
No, but still, don't hit it. Oh my God! I'm finished.
Giuseppe didn't want to go on this thing. It was so fun.
I didn't know you. I didn't know you actually drive them.
This is so fun. Giuseppe didn't want to do this.
And how it's going to be later. It's going to be super exciting
We're at the
when
tower.
there's dinos everywhere.
That's gonna be fun. I wonder how they're gonna do it. Where are they gonna put the T-Rex? I imagine the Carnotaurus could go right here with the rock.
Mm-hmm.
But the T-Rex is huge. I don't know where they're gonna put that.
What? You are driving so bad. I had no idea you actually drive this one.
This is so fun. I would have done this so much.
So many times. In fact, let's do it again.
I would have done this.
Just see dinos everywhere.
Squirrels!
Oh.
Squirrels!
I can see that. Watch out.
Watch out! Watch out! Ah!
No, you're gonna run them over. Oh, what's happening?
Morons! I want to run them over.
Texas squirrels are violent. Oh no! Stop! What if we fall in the water?
Let's do it. What rating are we giving the tower bathrooms?
The toilet was super clean. The sinks.
Yeah. I give it about a 7 out of 10 when I went in. It's usable. It's usable.
Yeah, this one I can't complain. At least
Yeah.
the toilet was clean.
You ready? How many visits? How many visits has it been?
A lot.
Yeah.
It was our first time
First
here.
time on here.
As you can see to my left, we have the Texas Giant and the Titan. We also have our two stadiums, the AT&T Stadium and the Texas Ranger Stadium. Mr. Freeze, Riddler, and Aquaman and Luna off to the right.
Like if I'm coming from the 50th year anniversary, like they had like a Dallas Cowboys cheerboy. A Dallas Cowboys cheerboy.
Imagine that having a chairboy.
That would be
Imagine
great.
that.
No, not a Cal cheerboy.
Just walking to the stadium tonight.
Yeah, no, a Dallas Cowboys cheerleader costume that they used.
Mr. Freeze broke. I wanted to do a ride, front then back, like back to back. It's broke, so gonna do Judge Roy, and that should wrap up the day.
Stuff again this year. I'm like,
So we just got off Judge Roy Scream. Last ride of the day, last ride of the trip. It's good. It's still so rough. But
Even though we couldn't do anything on Saturday, it was a great trip, and we did so much in one day. So worth it, and bye bye.